Samsters, we are going to make a delicious but healthy meal. But listen to what my daughter had to say.
You know what I like about mommy? Is that she just find joy in simple things like this.
We'll talk about that a little later on. You all have seen me made so many different recipes, but you all should know right now I am not a crazy fish person unless my dad cooks it. And I am not going to cook fish unless my dad cleans it for me. By the way, this is my dad and he is a master at all things fish. So guys, this meal is simple and straightforward. So I will be doing a lot of talking in the video. I just want you to sit back and enjoy. I'm keeping the fish simple with some olive oil, some fresh herbs and seasonings, and some of my special secret all-purpose blend. This is a lime. I am zesting it and adding it to the fish. And then I am going to squeeze the lime and add the juice as well. Now this fish did not come out of a fridge or a freezer. My father takes pride in getting his fish fresh at least once a week. And what I learned from him is when you're dealing with fresh fish, keep the seasonings as simple as possible. And to keep the fish moist and juicy, I am baking at 500 degrees for 15 minutes uncovered. Now onto the perfect bean salad. While I will say the bean salad is easy to make, I would never call it simple. I use some diced tomatoes, some sweet peppers, you can use whatever colors you want, and some red onions. I also had some canned corn and black beans set aside. But before we assemble, we need to make our creamy vinaigrette. Now the base for the vinaigrette is super simple. It is 1 part acid to 3 parts oil. So I'm using 2 tablespoons of lime juice, And I'm going to be adding 6 tablespoons of olive oil. Everything else is purely for flavor. Well, except the mustard. The mustard here is used to emulsify our vinaigrette. So think of it as this. While liquid and oil wouldn't naturally mix together cohesively, adding the mustard is like adding love. It just helps the ingredients come together to form a nice, cohesive, creamy dressing. So beforehand, I already prepared some chickpeas and red beans for my bean salad, and now it is assembly time. Now I don't add a lot of salt to my dressing. I usually taste my salad in between to see if it needs more salt. And you all know I had to get in there with that dried parsley because I love it. Anything longer than 15 minutes would have proven this fish to be dry and overcooked. But baby, it was so tender. So tender. This little piece here didn't make it to the plate, but oh gosh, y'all, I had to be greedy. I was taking out my own plate, but this piece here, it didn't seem just to put it on the plate, and I needed to taste it. So mine was done. I'm taking out my husband's own here, and he doesn't mind having a whole fish on his plate.
You know what I like about mommy? Is that she just find joy in simple things like this. Yeah.
See, what a lot of people don't understand is how much I love doing this and how much I enjoy sharing it with you all. Anyway, this man was having a whole conversation while he was eating out my food. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you soon. Enjoy!